Hello, this is a teaser for the Human-Centered Feasibility Restoration talk. What is Human-Centered Feasibility Restoration about? Solving combinatorial problems involves combining a model created by a modeling expert with data provided by a domain user. Either the instance is feasible and we get a solution, or the computer just says no. Our aim is to create a generic system for domain users who do not have modeling expertise but need to understand why the computer says no and how to change things to get a solution. Hang on, you say. There are many methods available to find conflicts in models. Yes, there are two main types of methods, enumeration and soft constraints, with a number of well-known tools. They all provide ways of reporting what constraints are conflicting with the given data. Each has advantages and disadvantages with respect to things like time and clarity. But the main issue is that they are aimed at the modeling experts and not at the actual domain user who needs to change the data to resolve the problem. Our aim is to develop a problem-independent system that is centered around end users and not expert modelers, and is built on 4 cornerstones. To be practical, the user shouldn't wait too long for the system to report the conflicts. To be meaningful, the user should be given information in a form that is easy to understand and at the right level of abstraction. To be flexible, the user should be given multiple options on how to resolve the conflict. And to be useful, the user should be guided through the entire restoration process, including how much to change the input data to restore the problem. We have developed such a problem-independent system and applied it to 2 different problems, plant layout and water planning, and invite you to see the paper for the results. In our talk, we will also go into detail about how we created the restoration system using existing methods and making them available to the domain users. See you there.